Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. On this video I'll be showing you how you can download Red Magic Game Space on any device that you have, on any Android device. So before I proceed, I would like you to kindly like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel because that is the only way you can support me. Now let's proceed. In order to download Red Magic Game Space on your phone, first of all what you have to do is to head over to your Google Chrome browser. Now on the Google Chrome browser, just right there on the search tab, type game space Red Magic 2.0 APK, or you can just type game space Red Magic APK if you don't want to put the 2.0. So now after typing that, you just click on the search for it. Now several links will appear asking you to download this game app. So I will recommend you to download from APK because with APK you are downloading a safe app with no malware at all. So click on the APK APK website, sorry. Then you scroll down a bit and then you will see download APK. Just click on it there. After that, you head back a little bit again and then you will see download APK. Then when you scroll down a bit, you will see all variants of the app. So but just click the download APK there. Then they will tell you that the download is in progress, so you just have to wait a bit for it to finish downloading. You can click on the download to see your progress, and you just have to wait a little bit for it to finish downloading. That's all you have to. So we just finished downloading the Red Magic Game Space app. So after doing this, what you have to do now is to head back. Do not install for now. Head back, because as you can see, it did not install actually. So what you're going to do now is to go over to your Play Store or App Store if you have an iPhone. Just click on the Play Store. Then on the Play Store, click the search button and then you search for Z Archiver. Z Archiver. Then this Z Archiver, after seeing it, you just have to download it if you do not have. But if you have Z Archiver, then you're good to go. If you do not have it, download it now so that we can proceed with the video. But if you have it, let's head straight to the video. Now after downloading your Z Archiver, what you have to do is to head over to the Z Archiver. On the Z Archiver, click on download. After that, you look straight up at the app. At the top right corner of the app, you're going to see the search tab symbol. Click on it and then search for game space that you just finished downloading. Game space. And then you search for it. Then you're going to see game space APK Pure, and just search for that game space Red Magic that you're seeing there. For me, it's at the bottom side there. As you can see, just click on it and then you click on install and then you install it. Now the app has been installed on your phone. So ladies and gentlemen, this is how you can download and install game space Red Magic on your phone, any phone that you have at all. Head back to see if it was installed actually. If you did not see it, you just have to head back to the Z Archiver and then reinstall it. Now this is because they want you to update it. So what you just have to do is to update it. After updating it, you're going to see the app right there on your phone. So just update the app and then you see it on your phone. So this is how you can be able to download and install game space. This comes to the end of this video. Please like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.